To summarize and finish this video, the step 1 is find a field of expertise that fits to you, because it will define all other steps. The step 2 is list all companies in your country that is related to the field of expertise that you have chosen on step 1. Map most wanted chemical process engineering skills. Once you have set or choosing your field of expertise, you have listed the companies that are able to give you jobs on that field of expertise. It's time to go to the websites, to the LinkedIn, to Google, and verify what are the requirements of the chemical process engineer job that you are looking for. Here you have seen the most wanted ones when we are talking about chemical process engineering and plant design. For operations, you will have others requirements. For research and development, you will have others requirements. Become a specialist, so add to your routine reading books, reading magazines, doing courses related to the field of expertise that you are looking for. Not only that, you have as options papers, YouTube, do a master degree, mentoring, and etc. The important thing is that you must create the habit of always getting knowledge related to the field of expertise that you are looking for. And finally, invest in personal development, because it's not only hard skills that will guarantee to you a job, but also soft skills. And soft skills is related on how you deal with yourself and also how you deal with others.